You won't believe that a bear was an official soldier in World War II. The Polish army enlisted a Syrian brown bear named Wojtek, giving him a rank, rations, and even a paycheck. He wasn't just a mascot, he drank beer, smoked cigarettes, and wrestled with the troops. During the bloody Battle of Monte Cassino, Wojtek actually helped the war effort by carrying heavy crates of artillery shells to the front lines without dropping a single one. He was eventually promoted to corporal. If you love amazing animal heroes, like and subscribe for more war history.